Hey guys, today I just this is enough for this is a like a kind of I made this up. Okay, this is called Nerf News. So this news is about next Wednesday. Is me my friends are coming to my house to make a Nerf video. So maybe we can make this. So let's just be patient and. Don't need to worry because sometimes they give you away. So I can't do it. So just I tell you guys Nerf news, okay? This is the first Nerf news I'm been telling you guys. So just try to wait for the next Nerf news because maybe it's important. You can know that. So thanks guys. Thanks. Thank you very much. Subscribe.